Hi guys, and welcome to another session of the Software Spotlight series, where every Thursday we look to introduce to you a tool, an extension, a function, a software, something that's going to help enhance your day-to-day digital marketing life. Now today we're going to be talking about colors. Okay, so colors, white, blue, gray, red, pink, whatever. So colors are very important, especially for digital marketing work, and especially if you're dealing with images, right? Or designing something of the sort. So you either want to extract colors, right, to be used in images. So you want to design a bunch of related images, or you just want to match the color of the images with the color of the text. Whatever it is, right? Trying to determine the actual color of images is something that is quite in demand. Now, there are many ways to do this, right? So obviously, if you are a graphic designer and if you are well versed in Photoshop, this can be easily done. However, a large proportion of people maybe don't know how to use Photoshop, so always looking for simpler tools to use. So what happened is that our friends at Canva.com have come up with a color palette checker. Now this is pretty amazing, and it's very simple to use. Essentially, you put in an image into their color palette checker, right, and it'll be able to tell you, list out all the images with the hex codes, so you can use for whatever you're trying to design. So very cool, and without further ado, we're going to go straight into it now. Okay, so this is it, the Canva color palette generator, right? So what you want to do is, the website is called canva.com/color palette, or just type Canva color checker, right? So there you go. Didn't have to spell it correctly. So once you get here, right, what you want to do is you want to upload an image, right? So we're going to try a demo image, and it's as simple as this. It'll load the image, it'll analyze the colors, and then it'll spit out all these different colors. So forest green, dark slate gray, light gray, sea green, light slate gray. So that is pretty cool, and literally that is it. Simple little piece of function or feature on Canva.com to allow you to determine different colors within an image. And yeah, hopefully this is something that will help you on your designing journey. And yeah, we'd love to hear any feedback or comments. Otherwise, have a great week, and we'll see you again very soon.